In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Microsoft Teams from all other devices. This can be really helpful for security reasons if you've accessed your account on multiple devices and want to ensure that you're the only one with access. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's start with accessing your Microsoft account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to account.microsoft.com. This is where you'll manage your account settings. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft credentials. That's the email and password associated with your account. If you've set up any additional security measures, you might be prompted to verify your identity. This often involves entering a security code that will be sent to you via email or text message. Make sure to have access to that before proceeding. Once you're signed in, the next step involves managing your devices. Look for the Devices section, which can be found as a tab at the top of the account homepage. This section will provide you with a comprehensive list of all devices that are currently linked to your account, along with their last active status. It gives you a clear overview and helps you recognize any devices that you no longer use or don't recognize. Now it's time to sign out from all devices. In the Devices section, you should see an option labeled